In this video, you'll learn how to connect Hamster Kombat to your Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully link your wallet to the Hamster Kombat bot for a seamless gaming experience. Begin by opening the Telegram application on your device. Ensure that you have the latest version installed for optimal performance and security. Once the app is open, navigate to the search bar at the screen. Next, type in the name of the Hamster Kombat bot to locate it. After finding the bot in the search results, tap on it to open the chat interface. This is where you will interact with the bot to initiate the connection process. Once the Hamster Kombat bot is open, you will see a welcome message and various options. Look for the button labeled Play or Open App. Tapping this button will take you to the main menu of the bot where you can access different functionalities, including connecting your wallet. After entering the main menu, you will need to navigate to either the airdrop or wallet section. This can usually be found within the options presented by the bot. Select the appropriate section by tapping on it, which will bring you to the wallet connection interface. In this interface, you will see an option labeled Connect Wallet. Tap on this option to begin the wallet connection process. At this point, it is important to ensure you have a compatible wallet ready to connect. Recommended options include TON wallets such as TonKeeper or the official TON wallet. Once you tap Connect Wallet, you will be prompted to select your TON wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. Depending on your internet speed, this process may take a moment. Ensure that your wallet is set up properly and has sufficient storage to accommodate any potential transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.